will fire our weapon if you don't get out of the car! Kill him! Kill him! Kill the driver! How's it going?
Yeah, I think okay.
Are you finding any luck in these buildings?
I think it's the plant upstairs, but
I'm not finding
This
any
crap is
luck.
really cute. Look at it. Look at it. Look
That's
at it.
awesome,
Look at it.
man. That must have taken
Yeah,
you a
man.
while.
Yeah, I think this is complete afternoon. In Germany, it's afternoon.
Awesome, man.
Yeah. Yeah, man, I'm happy.
This is Electro, right?
Yeah, this is Electro.
It's so big now. I thought it was Cherno.
Yeah, it's bigger now.
I love it.
Do you ever been to Cherno, the new one?
Not yet. Are you trying to ride solo since you have a ghillie suit, or are you want meeting up with a friend, or you want to run together?
I think I'm going to log off in a few minutes because I'm a little bit tired to build this. But
Oh.
nah, I think I'm going to log off now.
Well, all right. Well, I'm gonna head to Cherno. I haven't checked that out yet, so it was nice meeting you.
Yeah, check it out. It's awesome. Cherno's awesome. You will never see it again like this, I think.
Yeah. All right, man. Stay safe. See you later.
Okay. See you. Bye.
Did it just get dark as fuck though? Handle some business. Alright, let's go visit the square. Alright, I'm not friendly in this fucking city. Hell no. I'm ready to fucking go. Okay, you wanna fuck with me, pussy? Under bashing time.
They're gonna swing to the finish!
Oh my God!
Unbelievable!
Oh my God!
Wow!
Game over.
Damn! What is after me? Are you kidding? Oh, fuck you, bitch. Alright, holy shit. These zombies are crazy looking now, dude. I'm out here, yep.
They're boating.
Huh?
Loading and have a damn thing in it. Got a backpack for it. You right here in front?
Yeah, it's me. Yeah. Are you have a backpack? You said.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's get out of this.
Andy, you're geared the fuck up, dude.
Know how to handle this situation. Still don't. Hey, my adrenaline gets pumping. Are you back in the house with me?
Nope. What, do you hear some shit?
Hey, I'm friendly. Don't attack me, man. I'm wearing a red helmet.
Does he have a gun?
You attack me with your flashlight?
Hey, does he have a gun? Just like run around in circles and shit. I'm coming.
Yeah.
We're in Krasnostov right now. You know where Krasnostov is?
Next to San Francisco, headed.
Yep. What did you used to do before the apocalypse?
I was a flashlight repairman.
Nice, man. We could use one of you guys. You want to roll with us, or you already are you already meeting up with your family or something?
No, I'm alone. My family died in a flashlight explosion.
Yeah, come on. You're welcome to come with us, man. The more the merrier. We're about to head to Northwest Airfield, so.
All right, yeah. Just promise me you guys won't store flammable liquids next to my flashlights there.
No.
Talking about me in background.
Me. Back up.
Where's my flashlight? I was typing. Damn it. Why does this always happen to me?
Oh no, we need to.
Run for your life. Run for your life.
Alright, I got him. Fucking damn. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, wearing pink. Nice.
Yeah, I was feeling a little saucy.
Are you ready?
Yep. Got my trusty flashlight for a battery.
Either 100 people have come through here, or what?
Are you ready? We really need to find you a battery for your flashlight, man. Then you can lead the way.
Yeah, it's so dark. I just need to have a battery so I can see us under the sand. I'm not used to having the parts. I'm used to being at my shop. It's too bad that explosion was really unfortunate. It ruined all my materials.
How does the flashlight repairman not have a battery? Oh, that stumped him. He said shut up. It took you a second.
You guys need guns. Hold up, dude. Hold up. You guys need to come
Oh
back.
yeah, CT, come here. You need to get this ammo and you can take the CR75 CT. I'll keep the Glock.
And ammo's is
Here's the base.
close up.
Yeah, we'll scout it out first.
I think I grabbed some binoculars back in it. I did.
Alright.
Another SKS up here in this deer stand. I highly recommend that somebody gets it.
CT, you want to grab it? I'll take your shotgun.
I'm taking these pants though. Yeah, because we're probably gonna there's probably a really good chance that we're gonna find some SKS ammo over here now. So.
All right, I'm moving a little closer. I don't see anyone. Give me a second before we go in.
Yeah, I'm coming in.
Fuck 'em. Let's go.
Fuck I lost. Damn.
All right. The
Oh
10th.
my God, I just found a fucking M4.
Are you serious?
I swear to God, dude, with a freaking.
Dude, I just found an AK. I need to recenter my gear. CT, where are you?
We'll do that over here outside of town.
Find you.
Are you? Okay, okay. Damn, no food, man. You guys have any food on you?
I just have the powdered milk and soda. And I
Found a sniper! I found a fucking sniper!
sniper.
Here we
A CR 527 carbine with a hunting scope.
Takes AK ammo. You're better
Here.
off with
Wait, here, you need to, do you have the SKS on you?
Yeah.
I found a round, or a mag for it. 10 round clip. Wait, is it 7.62 by 3.9?
Yeah.
That's not the one I take though, right?
Oh, hell yeah, homie. Oh, dude. You just saved all of our lives.
go.
Yeah.
Dude, this fucking hunting scope is sick.
Wait, where are you guys at? I'm at this
In the-
pond. I need to
We're at the pond too. We started in Riffy.
That one.
Okay, we're pretty much all the way on the left side of the map now, CT.
Alright, so usually, let me explain this area. That mountain right there is called Resnick, and that's like a huge sniper camp-out spot. Like, you'll get guys up there on that hill with, like, full ghillie, sniping shit out, and...
Waiting for hours at a time or something.
Oh, yeah.
And lay down. What do you do?
I couldn't see over the grass. I was trying to
Oh.
scope it out. It looks clear, but usually, like, people go up there and camp and wait for people to come into this base and then run down and attack. And then you'll have, like, a sniper up on top that's calling out people's positions.
Wait, is this a military base here?
Yeah, this is a, my...
Oh, shots!
I don't hear any shots.
Shotgun shot
That's where...
at the fence.
Inside the
What?
base?
I don't know. I'm laying down. You guys didn't hear that shotgun shot?
I don't know where I was sitting. Y'all just
We're pushing up on the fence. You need to push up with us. Because we're going to need your help.
I'm running around the outside of the base looking to see if I can find any contacts.
Woo, that fucking scared the shit out of me.
I'm at the
get
door
the shit out
opening.
of us.
Yeah, you scared the shit out of me, dude. You got me on edge, dude.
Dude, you should be on edge. There was a shot. Maybe you guys, maybe it glitched. You guys didn't hear it, but...
I can hear birds like 2 cities over. I think I would have heard that.
Alright, I'm in. I crawled under the fence. I'm inside the compound right now. Wait, are you moving up to the front door of the green one?
Yeah.
I'm coming with you. I'm right behind you. CT, you need to get in here.
Dude, hold on a second. Fuck. I don't know where y'all are at or what this.
We're inside the thing, the base.
I'm inside Camo building. Right
Alright, I'm coming inside Camo building with you. I'm closing the door behind me.
Upstairs.
I'm here. This is me. Green helmet.
All this shit right here.
It's all ruined. Someone died with it. Yeah. Alright, we need to go search these other barracks, man. They're gonna have a ton of gear.
Alright, you got the least gear, so...
I'll go
ahead
first.
and search it. If you see anybody, let us know. We'll keep Overwatch from up here. If we see anything, we'll let you know. And then, you kind of just search.
Oh my god, shots! Oh my god, shots!
Dude,
I swear, why the fuck would I lie, dude?
where?
To the left of your building. I fucking jumped so hard there. I'm gonna get that on stream.
Get a shock collar.
Holy fucking shit, dude! I jumped so hard.
Are you alive?
I'm alive. I'm not hit.
Were they shooting at you?
I'm not sure, dude. It was fucking loud as fuck. I just jumped really hard. Oh my god, there's a dead guy in here. Holy shit, this is...
Does he have gear on him?
Oh yeah, the AOG optics, like he's got a lot of shit, but I'm scared to look at it. I have an anti-stab vest now. It was definitely,
Is that you by this wall out here?
Nope, I'm inside.
Inside our building?
I'm inside a building.
There's a guy out here fully geared by this wall.
Is he alive?
He's running to the hill. I'm gonna take a shot at him. Yeah, he's running out to the hill. You see him?
Sniper hill?
Yep, you see him? Yeah, that or he's gonna go over to that hill and try to get in a position to snipe us out.
Yeah.
Oh no, he's back in the middle of the fucking field there.
He's in the hill or the base? I just went outside.
He's baiting. Are you at the base of the hill?
No, no, no. I just went inside another building. I'm looting these buildings.
Oh, he's in a bush now. He's in a bush. Oh wait, no, he's running up the hill. I could take a shot at him, but I don't know. Keep your eye on the stairs and on the door. I'm in
That's
this
what I'm
freaking. I'm in the bunker room. Gonna pick our battles here. Maybe we could try to make friends with them, and then just betray him. That'd be a lot easier. Are you still searching buildings down there?
Oh yeah. Oh my God, shots. Pistol shots. You heard him?
No, I didn't.
You guys' volume is all fucked up.
No, I hear him now. I only heard one though.
Yeah, I heard that now.
Right up here. He's bleeding. He's bleeding.
They're fighting each other.
They're fighting each other up there. I saw him at the base of those rocks and I lost eyes
How big
on
is
him.
this base?
Oh, this guy, it's two guys. I see this one guy sneaking up on the other guy. Bet you I can hit
Scopes
him.
and all that. I'm almost done looting. So we can get the fuck out of here.
Well, I'll close this door.
I want to make it to northwest before it's all said and done.
I'm not
We're
at the
pretty
stairs.
much. Okay, let's do that then.
Doesn't matter to me. Like,
I want to stay alive.
Once we hit this door, you can't stop running then.
All right, go, go, go.
Don't stop running no matter. I don't care if you guys hear shots, keep running.
You get zigzag. Alright, let's all filter in.
Oh, black assault backpack.
Nice. I have food. Fuck yeah. Okay, I'm gonna come in here with you and close the door behind me. Because I found food. How are you guys doing on food and water? There's a pump right next to us.
I need fucking water on red bar.
I mean, just think of it like that. Like, you've already been spotted, you've already been identified, and they're thinking of a way to track you down and get you. Like,
Okay.
just picture that we're already fighting somebody. Always think of it like right now that like we're fighting somebody, like right now.
Left is
Like
where
a-
we're heading, but what's on the right over here?
Next one.
There's a military base between here and Belota, right?
Well, there's tents. There's a tent city down at the end of this. Once we like loot all these buildings and we get down to the tents, that's where all the
The people are?
That's where the action happens. They usually like.
I'm right here. This is me.
You running in the right there?
Yep. This is me. Where are we going? Is it the 40 or 60 servers? I'm at the fire station almost. It doesn't look like there's anything in the fucking the things. I'm coming out of the fire station.
You're right, me.
This is me. Okay, you wanna follow me over here? There's one more camo building. It should be right here.
I'll overwatch for you guys up here for the ATC.
Okay. I've died here several times. Let's stay away from him. You under here with me? Alright, there ain't shit over here, bro. Do you want to push, like, outside, like you were saying? And then, like, come around behind him? Or it's starting to rain really hard so that they're not gonna hear our footsteps. CT, you with me?
No, dude, you walked off.
Oh, sorry, dude. Can you come outside, where we came in at?
I didn't know that's what you did.
You out here yet?
No, I'm looking around, making sure I'm not being followed. Then I'm gonna come out.
CT, where are you?
Shot me by the idiot.
Did you guys hear that thunder on my mic? CT, where are you? Come with me. Yes, that's me. Come with me.
Wait for me, I'm coming.
Yes, both of us.
Turn in full current now.
Alright, that's you right there? Okay. But this is where we'll head out. We have the coverage of this rain too.
Alright, so which direction is the tent actually in?
This way. Should we get outside of the
Yeah, just follow me, buddy.
Okay.
You can quit crouching out.
How much shotgun ammo do you have, CT?
Only like
10 rounds?
10. Yeah, I think so.
Okay, good. I have about 13, so that's about even.
Really just need to get a better gun.
Yep.
That fucking just honestly
Watch out for
better.
that zombie, don't aggro it.
Do that.
On the right.
Hard to see with the paint.
Dude, this game is fucking awesome.
You wanna check this barracks right here?
Yeah, dude.
Dude, it's raining outside really hard, so it's like making me feel something. You go, CT. What are you doing? Reorganizing your shit?
Hey, there's a helicopter crash here, guys.
Oh my god, helicopter crash. Alright, I'm leaving you, CT.
Let's go.
Where? Right or left? Right or left?
Right where I told you, bro.
Right. I don't know, you said...
That nice hangar, which way we been going the whole time.
I'm here, there's a helicopter crash on the runway?
You see me?
Yeah, I see you. Okay. Oh, zombie.
Oh yeah, no shit, I seen him.
Alright, I'm double carrying, I can't kill it.
I'll get it, don't worry about it. Maybe not, maybe I won't. I'm not gonna get it. Where's my fucking gun? Yeah, hold on. Bastard, stay away. Stay back.
Nice, you have a silencer for your gun?
Yeah. And now I just lost my fucking SKS.
I'll help you find it.
Yeah.
I pressed the wrong hotbar button.
Help him find his SKS.
Oh, fuck, this is fucking... I just saw it, dude. Here it is, I got it.
Nice. Alright, where's the helicopter crash?
Over here.
Right in front of you?
Alright, you want me to run over since I'm the most expendable?
That don't matter.
Alright, fuck them. If they're in the police station, I may get ruined.
Going to the helicopter too.
Yeah, I don't give a shit.
There ain't shit here, dude.
Nothing here.
Nope.
That's because it's an American one, you gotta go inside.
Oh my god, yep, there's some stuff here.
Oh yeah, dude. Scorpion, there's a freaking magazine for your